Alright, tell me this. What happens when Harley Davidson eats a protein shake, hits the gym, listens to trap music, and decides to go full savage mode? You get the 2025 Sportster S, baby. Let's roast it, ride it, and maybe, name our firstborn after it. Welcome to the madness, biker's choice in the house. Ladies, gents, and all you throttle twisters, welcome back to Biker's Choice, the only place where we judge bikes like bad exes and praise them like our crush finally replied. Now today is not just another casual scroll session. Because Harley Davidson just dropped a bomb so beautiful, so unnecessarily aggressive, and so spicy, it made me recheck my bank balance and reconsider my life choices. Yup. I'm talking about the 2025 Harley Davidson Sportster S. And let me warn you now, this thing didn't just get launched, it body slammed its way into 2025 with a protein-packed vengeance. So buckle up, hydrate, and maybe cancel your gym membership. Cause the Sportster S already flexed harder than you ever will. History lesson nobody asked for, but you're getting it anyway. Okay, let's set the scene like it's Netflix drama time. The Sportster line, been around since the 50s. That's right. This bike's ancestors were probably chillin' in diners, flirting with leather jackets, and starting bar fights. But Harley? They said, let's take that heritage, strap a rocket to it, and throw it straight into 2025. And bam, the Sportster S got reborn like a Marvel superhero who went through a midlife crisis and came out shredded. Tell me, chat, do you like your bikes with a little history or all mystery? Design, Harley went full supervillain vibes. Now let's talk looks. Because the Sportster S, she didn't come to play, she came to intimidate. Low stance, chunky tires, fat front forks, and that exhaust. It looks like two bazookas hugging a V-twin. I mean, this bike doesn't whisper, hello. It growls, move. It's like Harley got bored of looking classy and said, what if Mad Max had a motorcycle that drank protein shakes and watched UFC at 2 a.m.? And guess what? It works. You don't ride the Sportster S. You declare war with it. Who else agrees this thing looks like it eats other bikes for breakfast? Engine and performance, the beast unleashed. Alright, let's talk about what's under the hood. Or tank. Or, whatever. The 2025 Sportster S comes with the Revolution Max 1250T engine. Translation, this ain't your grandpa's V-twin. 121 horsepower, 94 ft-lbs of torque, and a redline that screams louder than your neighbor's kids on a sugar rush. Twist that throttle and boom, you're yeeting yourself into the stratosphere. You know that moment when you regret nothing? Yeah, that's what it feels like riding this thing. Chat, would you rather tame this beast or let it drag you into the sunset? Be honest. Tech, Harley finally found the Wi-Fi password. Look, Harley's known for giving you raw iron and vibes. Not usually tech. But in 2025, they finally said, screw it, let's join the future. You're getting a 4-inch TFT display, Bluetooth, navigation, ride modes, yes, multiple personalities, cornering ABS, and traction control. It's like Harley finally bought a smartphone and started using Google Maps instead of a paper chart taped to the tank. The best part? You can now switch from road mode to sport mode with the same sass as changing playlists during a breakup ride. Tech heads, drop a finally in chat if you've been begging Harley to stop living in 1997. Comfort and ergonomics, the gym bro with surprisingly good hugs. Okay, now here's the funny part. This beast of a machine actually has cruise control. Like what? It's like finding out your gym rat buddy secretly knits sweaters on weekends. Seat height is just low enough to make you feel like a street demon, and ergonomics. Surprisingly comfy for short rides. And it's a big, but, long rides might feel like dating someone with commitment issues. Fun at first, but eventually your back's like, bro why? Would you ride this thing across the country or just flex it at the coffee shop? Sound check, this ain't no whisperer. Fire up the Sportster S and you're not just starting an engine, you're announcing your presence to the neighborhood. Maybe the next city, too. That exhaust note is like Thor waking up with a hangover. Deep, angry, and unapologetically American. Rev it once, and birds fly off. Rev it twice, and someone files a noise complaint. Rev it 3 times, you get a date. Should Harley offer a quieter version? Nah. If you want quiet, buy a bicycle. This is war music. Pricing, hide your wallets. Now comes the scary part. The price tag. Drumroll please. starting at around $16,799 US, depending on where you live and how much your dealer likes you. Not cheap. But is it worth it? Let's see. You're getting power, tech, looks, legacy, and the attention of every traffic light camera in your city. I say yes. But I'll let you decide. Chat, would you pay that much or wait for a used one and hope it doesn't come with emotional mileage? Who should ride this? If you know, you know. This bike ain't for everyone. And that's the point. If you're new to riding, run, or at least respect it from a safe distance. But if you've been around the block, got some experience under your belt, and want something savage yet sexy, this is for you. Perfect for weekend riders, flex kings, and anyone who thinks subtle is a dirty word. Is this bike your vibe? Or are you more of a touring softie who likes snacks and naps? Final verdict, hype or heaven? Let's be real. Harley could have played it safe. But they didn't. The 2025 Sportster S is bold, brutal, and built for chaos. It's a love letter to speed, style, and not giving a damn what anyone else thinks. It's not just a bike, it's a personality upgrade. If you're looking for calm, look elsewhere. But if you want to feel alive again, this bike might just be your next mistake. And your best one. Chat, I need answers. Is this the best Harley ever made? Or is it just a beautiful monster we admire from afar? That's a wrap, throttle freaks. If this video gave you life, laughter, or just made you reopen your browser tabs with bike loans, do me a solid. Like this video like you throttle out of a red light. Subscribe to Biker's Choice for more ridiculous reviews, brutal honesty, and bike gossip your mechanic won't tell you. And hit that bell icon so hard, it echoes in the Harley factory. Until next time, stay wild, ride hard, and remember, if it doesn't scare you just a little, it's probably not a Harley. Peace out, and ride loud. Wait, hold up, did Harley Davidson just bring back the CVO Softail Deuce in 2025? Are we dreaming or did someone spike the octane with nostalgia and chrome? Let's get weird with it, folks, because this ain't just a comeback, it's a full-blown motorcycle soap opera. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, where chrome dreams come true. Yo yo yo, welcome back to Biker's Choice, your favorite two-wheeled corner of the internet where we don't just ride bikes, we feel them, roast them, and occasionally fall in love harder than we should. And today, folks, today is historical. This ain't just a review. This is a reunion tour. A legacy reborn. A chrome-drenched fever dream made real. Because guess what Harley Davidson just pulled out of the vault and blasted into 2025 like it was a time-traveling rock star? Yup. The CVO Softail Deuce is back. And it came back with attitude, horsepower, and the kind of chrome that makes sunglasses mandatory. Strap in, hydrate, and drop a "hell yes" in the comments if you remember the original Deuce like your first crush on two wheels. What even is a Deuce? The legend returns. Alright, quick recap for the uninitiated. The Softail Deuce was Harley's attempt at building a bike that looked like it was born on the Vegas Strip, stretched, slammed, and shiny as heck. It disappeared for years, became a collector's unicorn, and we all assumed it was gone for good. But then Harley said, let's bring it back, and let's make it CVO level insane. Translation: this isn't just a Deuce. It's a custom vehicle operations Deuce. Which means, premium parts, wild finishes, and horsepower that'll rip your soul out and serve it on a flaming tray. Design, when chrome meets chaos. Let's be honest, this thing isn't a motorcycle. It's an event. The 2025 CVO Softail Deuce is long, low, and glossier than your ex's Instagram filter. That stretched out tank, chef's kiss. The rear fender that looks like it's been carved by Zeus himself. Stupid sexy. And the chrome. Oh lord, the chrome. You could fry an egg on it just by staring too long. And don't even get me started on the paint options. Harley's out here naming colors like colognes, molten steel, obsidian rage, and midnight ego. I made that last one up, but you believed it, didn't you? Tell me in the chat, what color would you pick if you were gonna flex this beast at your local bike night? Engine and performance, built to terrify your neighbor's Prius. Underneath all that eye candy is a legit monster. We're talking the Milwaukee 8117, tuned to perfection with a CVO-specific map that makes it angry in all the right ways. Expect 125 plus horsepower, torque so thick it might knock your fillings loose, and a throttle response that basically says, "You sure, bro?" Twist the grip and boom, you're not accelerating, you're launching into a midlife crisis with horsepower. Would you ride this thing to the grocery store just to flex in the parking lot? Be honest. I would. I'd buy one banana just to make it worth it. Features: luxury meets lunacy. This ain't just a show pony, it's loaded with tech, too. The digital display is clean and customizable. You've got ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and even cruise control for when your wrist gets tired from flexing too hard. Heated grips. Standard. Premium seat. Standard. Audio system. Optional, but like, do you even need music when your engine sounds like Zeus beatboxing? You ever ridden a bike so nice you almost feel bad getting bugs on it? Yeah, that's the Deuce. Would you take this on a road trip, or just roll it into your living room as a weirdly expensive centerpiece? Comfort and ergonomics, bad boy looks, good guy feel. Here's the plot twist: this beast is actually comfortable. Low-slung seat, wide bars, mid-controls that don't punish your knees. Harley actually considered the human body this time. It's like sitting on a throne, if your throne could do burnouts. Of course, long rides still require a little back muscle and some glute prep, but hey, it's worth it when everyone on the highway is breaking their neck to check you out. Who's ready to cruise coast to coast on this thing, or are you more of a ride to the coffee shop and flex kinda rider? Sound, straight out of Valhalla. Can we talk about how this thing sounds? That deep V-twin rumble has been fine-tuned into a symphony of chaos. Stock pipes already thump hard enough to set off car alarms and rearrange your neighbor's flower pots. But if you throw on some performance exhaust, you're not just heard, you're felt. If the sound of this bike doesn't give you goosebumps, check your pulse. You might be legally boring. Drop a comment: loud pipes save lives or annoy the HOA. Price, wallets, prepare for pain. Look, this is a CVO. That means it's built like a dream and priced like a nightmare. Starting around $29,999 or more depending on options and dealer shenanigans, this ain't for the faint of wallet. But if you're buying a CVO Deuce, you're not worried about price, you're worried about vibes. And this bike? Pure, unfiltered vibe. Would you finance your soul for this bike? Or just sell your car and never look back? Who should ride it? Legends only. This bike isn't for everyone. It's not a beginner bike. It's not a commuter. It's not practical. It's for the bold, the dramatic, the chrome-obsessed Harley heads who want to make a statement at every stoplight. If you love attention, performance, history, and an unnecessarily large amount of torque, this bike was made for you. So, are you Deuce material, or is this too much sauce for your garage? Final verdict: the Deuce is loose. The 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Softail Deuce isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement piece, a throwback, and a flex machine all rolled into one stunning chrome package. It's fast, loud, shiny, and unapologetically Harley. If you're looking for subtle, you're lost. But if you want heads turning, jaws dropping, and heart-racing joy, this might be your next dream ride. So tell me, chat, is Harley back with this one? Or is the Deuce just a beautiful blast from the past? That's it for today's wild ride, legends. If this video made you laugh, think, drool, or impulsively Google your credit score, slam that like button like you're shifting at Redline. Subscribe to Biker's Choice for more insane reviews, spicy motorcycle rants, and unfiltered bike passion. And ring that bell so hard it echoes through the Harley showroom. Until next time, stay shiny, ride savage, and remember, real bikes don't whisper, they roar. Catch you on the next one. Peace, love, and high-octane dreams.